Okay, so today we are going to work on front two. I already have a bunch of the pieces cut for that. I got to continue cutting as per my cut list, as you guys have all seen before, with different pieces, and that is back to, or right over there, completed. It's too heavy to move, so I think I'm just going to frame front two right on top of it for now. Okay guys, so before I start actually putting front two together, I want to cut all the pieces for my last wall framing piece, and that is front entry right here. And that is because I'm running out of 2x4s, and I want to make sure. You see my pile over there? It's mostly all, at this point, it's mostly all 2x6s that are being used for the roof. I have some extras, so if I have to rip some down, I will. But I just want to know what my situation is stock-wise, getting this last wall constructed. I got some 2x4x16s, but they're really wonky. I don't know if I can use them, especially for longer spans. And if I'm missing anything, I want to place an order right now before we really get into the day, so I have a chance of it coming today, so I can finish this up. Alright, so I just made my cut list for the front entry wall. I'm going to cut all that, and then I'm going to put, what was it? I'm going to actually assemble front two. Guys, let's talk about how not to attach some framing members. So in my drawings, I have it spec'd out to attach these studs here, these studs directly to a header sometimes. Now, so this header right here, this is front two, and this header will span over all the back fender back over there, right? So we got these studs coming and landing directly on a header. Now that's a nightmare. You can see this total just nonsense down here where I was trying to toenail into this header. I mean, honestly, it's just not worth all that effort. I was having all kinds of problems. I ended up just using screws for a few of them. It's not worth the effort. What I should have done was put a sole plate, basically just made a frame wall and attached that frame wall sole plate to the header. That would have been so much freaking easier. These little gardener snakes, but they are everywhere. Why don't you move, dude? Come on, move. Dude, just go. Go. Oh, you got the tongue going, you're seeing what's up. Alright guy, just get out of the road. So I'm out of 2x4s. I have some extra 2x6s. So I'm just going to rip down some of the 2x6s down to 3.5 inches wide, just for a few pieces so I can finish up the front entry framing wall. So this would be a good time to stop and tell you guys about my outfeed table for the table saw rather. Never had something like this before in an outdoor shop, but it makes life a heck of a lot easier. I had a kind of some makeshift outfeed tables in Taos, but this one is pretty good. So I got this job box, which is great to lock up and store the tools, but it also is perfect to butt right up to the back end of the table saw. It eliminates the need for me to get some help with someone holding the outfeed, holding the piece so for long rips it doesn't just flop over on me.